Hello everyone, today's video gawa tayo ng design gamit ang RIP. Nakagawa na pala ako ng design, babasahin ko na lang yung problem. You are enrolled as engineering student at CSU Carrick. Your proof has asked you to design a network which will be integrated to floor plans. The setup would include 25 computer units, 2 Cisco 2511 routers, and 3 switches. The goal is to connect the 2 routers using modules and properly integrate the other devices into the network. Your task is to design and implement a solution for this setup. Una, una, connect natin yung router to switch. Gamit tayo ng straight through. Then, PC to switch. Ulit-ulitin lang natin. Tapos next, sa kabila naman, PC to switch. Ulit-ulitin lang natin. And next, gagamit tayo ng crossover cable. Connect natin yung switch sa kabila. Sa kabila naman, gamit tayo ng cable na straight through. Router to switch. Tapos PC to switch. Ulit-ulitin lang natin. Next, punta tayo sa router 0. Off natin. Tapos, kapit natin yung WICIP. And then on. Tapos, punta ulit tayo sa kabila. Off lang ulit. Tapos, kapit natin yung WICIT. Then on. Lagyan natin ng serial PC. Connect lang natin sa router sa kabila. Then next, ilalagay tayo ng AP 172.168.10.1. Copy lang natin, then on. Lagay natin sa may PC. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18, next sa kabila naman 192.168.10.1 copy lang natin, then i-on. Bigyan natin ng IP. True. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, next maglagay tayo ng serial 10.1.1.1 copy lang natin, then on. Punta tayo sa next na serial, paste lang natin yun, palitan lang to, then on. Next is punta tayo sa CLI, exit router RIP, router network, copy lang natin yung RIP ng IP, papalitan lang ng 0, then network ulit, then copy yung serial, then i-base, palitan ng 0, then exit, punta tayo sa router 1, CLI, exit router RIP, network, copy natin yung IP, paste natin, then palitan ng 0, then network ulit, punta tayo sa router 0, copy lang natin, Then i-paste. Then balikan ng 0. Then exit.
Testing natin.
Then testing na natin.
PC to router mo.
PC to router muna.
Successful.
Successful.
PC to PC mo.
PC to PC naman.
Ulitin naman natin.
Ulitin lang natin.
Yan.
Balik tayo. Successful.
PC.
PC to PC.
Ulitin naman natin. Ayun. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.